Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Clear a 6 by 6 foot space and roll a non-slip mat, dress in flexible clothing. Spend 10-15 minutes on joint mobility, neck, shoulders, hips, because Aikido relies on supple movement. Once warm, practice ukemi, forward break fall, backward fall, and a 1/2 roll slowly to build confidence. Make sure to keep relaxed breathing and soft eyes as you repeat each fall 10 times to ingrain safe mechanics. Once you have basics down, continue by drilling core technique patterns solo. Practice the 3-step sequence. Enter, blend with the opponent's energy, then pivot to off balance. Repeat for 30 to 60 seconds per cycle. Use a rolled towel or training stick as a substitute partner, or work with a mirror to maintain distancing and lines. Make sure to record slow-motion video so you can review timing, posture, and centerline alignment. Then correct 1 habit per session to accelerate learning. You finish by integrating everything into brief flow rounds and testing control. Combine ukemi and techniques into 3-minute sequences, alternating sides. Start at low intensity and only increase speed when control and balance are consistent. Make sure to keep a training log and short video clips to track progress and set micro goals. If something fails, balance, timing, or pain, slow the motion, film the problem, and simplify the entry. Consult concise expert clips to fix one technical detail before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.